Facebook. It's like, what's up with all these stupid updates? Huh? Why do I need to know all these stupid updates that shows up in the right corner of my Facebook? Huh? And it's like, what do I care what other people say? I don't care what Jeffrey is doing at Monday night, or what Samantha, who Samantha's fucking, or whatever. I don't care. It's like, I don't get it. What's up with all these Facebook changes? And then I was hearing some bullshit about Facebook charging us, but then later on I found out they're not really charging us. It was just a stupid rumor. But anyway, it's like, what the fuck has Facebook become? It's like it's starting to become into MySpace. Remember MySpace? Do you remember that shit? Do you remember? Nobody remembers that shit. Nobody uses that nowadays. It's like Facebook has become into MySpace, and Google Plus has become into Facebook. Well, I tried Google Plus for a little bit, and it's alright. But Facebook, man, I don't get it. I don't get it. Update after update after update, and then I've been hearing that there's gonna be more updates. It's like, why do we need more updates? It was perfectly fine as it was. It was perfectly fine as it was. Anyway, it's like, I was on Facebook the other day. You know, I just came back home. I just came home from working, and then I click onto my Facebook, and then I see difference. I see difference. It's like I don't understand. I just saw that little corner thing, and it kept on telling me what the fuck my friends were doing. It's like, where's the privacy? Where's the privacy? It's like, I don't want to know anything. If I want to know something, I'll go to their wall and I'll stalk them. I don't want to stalk them when I don't want to. Whenever I want to stalk them, I'll stalk them. Huh? You kind of get what I mean? I don't know if you get what I mean, but you know, like, I kind of have a crush on this girl. You see, but she broke my heart. She really broke my heart. But either way, it's like, I don't want to be seeing shit that she's doing, because I don't want to see no bitch that broke my heart and seeing what they be putting up every 5 seconds. You know, if I want to see something, I go to their shit. I'm not gonna be, you know, I don't get shit, pussy. But oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm just so mad at what things have become. It's like Tupac's song, Changes. You know, you remember that song? That song everybody loves, Changes. You know, Changes. Yeah, that song's very sad, because I miss my nigga Tupac. Oh, what did they say? Asian guy said nigga, who gives a fuck? Yeah, it's like so many changes, and people don't like it sometimes. Some people do. It's like just keep it there. If people have no problem with it, then why change it? It's like, unless everybody on Facebook said, oh, I want to be looking at everybody's status and give me updates 24/7, then okay. But I don't remember shit from that. I don't remember people saying that. Do you? Oh shit, I'm choking my own words. Anyway, it's like, I don't want to see any of that. You know, I hope Facebook changes it. You know, I hope they go back to normal. You know, back to they used to be. But, you know, hopefully. Hope is a very powerful thing. Hope is what wakes you up in the morning and gets you horny. So, thank you everybody for watching this rant. You know, I bet you are as upset as I am with this. And I was very upset to find this out from Facebook, but you know, now that I think about it, it's no big deal. But still, like, you get what I mean. So goodbye everybody.